Longitudinal data mining is a progressive approach which uses a customized solution design that applies industry trends, client-specific designs, and analytics and automation. Industry trends can include, but are not limited to, provider trends, coordination of benefits, and claims processing platforms. Based on a client's feedback, adjustments are made to produce the highest level of quality. This will ensure it's understood some of the client-specific exclusions and inclusions before proceeding into the client-specific design. The client-specific design phase includes claim processing policies, provider or member contracts. At CO, we use our vast experience and apply interpretation to the client-specific design. Our clients go through an approval process of our interpretation. This process includes overpayment examples along with documentation that supports our interpretation. We work with our client counterparts to assist in education and training within various units to gain concept approval. The third and final phase is the analytics and automation. The work performed in the industry trends and client-specific design ensures there's an understanding of what the client would like to pursue. This phase also identifies factors that would override claim payments while ensuring there's quality results that are optimal. Using a subset of data sources to create profiles, it allows users to track characteristics, which may include demographics, clinical factors, utilization, and risk. The profiles can be leveraged for selections in data mining. So let's review the 4 factors to selections. We'll first start with claim profiles, which typically contain an extensive library of queries, which is continually reviewed and updated by subject matter experts. The provider profiles may include claims billed by the provider, member risk scores, demographics related to the provider's location, quality and efficiency, and benchmarking. The member profiles often store member conditions, utilization, a member's accrued costs, risk based on clinical and payment history, and lifestyle preferences. The payer profiles encompass a payment lifecycle that contains bundled payments, quality and compliance data, and payer benchmarking. By utilizing enterprise data, companies like CO incorporate the profiles and bring forward analytic patterns to create a hybrid analytical approach. Using client-specific continuous feedback loops that support model refinement. Using the feedback loops allows for greater reduction in false positives over time. It is also important to fine-tune the selection sensitivity based on error likelihood and dollar amounts to match the client's payment policy, along with network relationships and resource availability. This should also be customizable based on a claim lifecycle, for instance, a higher threshold in prepaid than postpay. By pinpointing underlying problems such as process gaps and inefficiencies through claim error pattern analysis, it allows for errors to be identified that may not have been visible in different approaches. It is vital for any data mining program that new concepts are developed based on CMS payment regulation and client-specific rules. Applying a longitudinal data mining approach brings forward visibility to pattern identification that is missed in standard one-by-one reviews. This view creates the ability to identify repeated errors by the same provider that occur over time. The depiction on your screen references payments above and below allowed amounts for home health and identifies questionable billing behaviors and patterns. This rare error is able to be captured while a traditional review may have missed that pattern of billing. It is essential to be able to detect errors that occur between the sites of care, such as double billing, questionable coding, and billing patterns. Applying a data mining approval using a customized design solution allows for the validation of concepts and anticipated outcomes. The audit concepts are refined to take into account any provider exclusions or limitations. This ensures high accuracy and the reduction of provider abrasion. Concepts should be refined to allow an alignment. This enables a message from a vendor partner and a client to be specific and consistent with the delivery of high accuracy. After about approximately 6 months, data mining can be transformed to an automated process after key components such as data, claims processing, and pricing systems within the concepts are validated. Some techniques used in the automation include robotic process, screen scraping, and macros. Each production should require a specific percentage of audits to pass quality measures. This process will ensure high quality standards and accuracy are produced.